In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS on Google Meet in just 5 minutes. This is a great way to enhance your virtual meetings by adding custom overlays, multiple camera angles, or even using green screen effects. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to set up OBS Studio as a virtual camera. This allows OBS to be selected as your video source in Google Meet. If you haven't already installed OBS Studio, head over to obsproject.com. From there you can download the software and install it on your computer. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system, and once completed you'll be ready to proceed. Next, open OBS Studio. Before OBS can interact with Google Meet, you need to enable the virtual camera feature. Upon launching OBS, you'll find an option at the bottom right corner labeled Start Virtual Camera, located under the Controls panel. This is the button you'll be using to enable the virtual camera. Now it's time to set up your scene. In OBS Studio, a scene is where you can incorporate various elements such as your webcam, images, text, and overlays. Customize your scene to fit your presentation or meeting, whether it involves adding a company logo, a presentation slide, or any other media you wish to display during your call. With your scene set up, click on Start Virtual Camera. Once this is active, OBS will operate as a virtual camera source, which means you can now proceed to the next stage, integrating OBS with Google Meet. Open Google Meet and either start or join a meeting. In the meeting window, look for the three-dot menu located in the bottom right corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. From there, navigate to the Video tab. In the camera drop-down menu, you should now see an option labeled OBS Virtual Camera. Select this option. At this point, you should see the OBS output displayed in Google Meet. It's essential to do a quick test to make sure everything is functioning as expected. Check your video feed to confirm it's displaying correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set and ready to present. This setup not only allows you to deliver a more professional and engaging presentation, but also gives you creative control over your video output. Experiment with the different features OBS offers, such as switching between camera angles or using green screen backgrounds to create a more dynamic experience for your audience. And there you have it. You've now set up OBS Studio to work seamlessly with Google Meet. Enjoy making your virtual meetings more interactive and visually appealing. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy presenting.